or in your living room. Here's what he'd say.
Before the invention of calculus, the scientific and economic worlds were at a standstill. People were quickly losing hope and trust in society. Today, now that I have discovered calculus, the nation and the world are moving forward once again.
Sir Isaac Newton believes that he is the founder of calculus. Though Newton developed his own ideas about calculus, he didn't publish his ideas till 1693, 9 whole years after Leibniz published his own work. Throughout his invention of calculus, Leibniz managed to make strides in these 3 areas, whereas Newton did not.
One of my achievements was the development of a general symbolic language. This new set of symbols can be used by anyone and will cut back on the national spending of aid. I presume that this method will be timeless and will be used by students and professors alike 300 years from now. I also found a relationship between different sequences and sums. This finding eventually led to an infinitesimal version, which was applied throughout all of my findings in calculus. This idea was also an integral part to the fundamental theory of calculus. Finally, I defined a characteristic triangle. The 2 legs of this right triangle represent infinitesimal elements of change, now represented by dx between values of x. I also developed the integral symbol, represented by an elongated s, which demonstrates the integration of infinitesimals.
The combination of these achievements is shown in his final published work of calculus, which, as noted before, was made public before Newton's. Read Leibniz's work. Compare it alongside Sir Isaac Newton's. Decide for yourself. It's time for a new mathematic patriotism.
I'm Godfrey Leibniz and I approve this message.